It began as a flicker, a streak of light moving too fast, too clean. 3I, Atlas, a new interstellar object, had entered our solar system, but something about it broke every rule. It wasn't from the Oort cloud, didn't follow a natural orbit, and moved as if it had intent. Its origin traced back to Sagittarius, the same region that once gave us the infamous "wow" signal. And now, another messenger had arrived, carrying something stranger than noise. The James Webb Space Telescope detected gases that defied logic: nickel without iron, sudden cyanide spikes, and emissions that flared too fast to be natural. Webb also found a faint pulse, a signal too structured to be random. At first, dismissed as interference. Then it repeated, precise, deliberate. When cross-checked against historic data, it matched the frequency of the original wow signal, as though something was whispering from the same corner of the cosmos. But this time, it was moving with the object itself. 3I, ATLAS didn't behave like a comet. Its trajectory aligned perfectly with the plane of our planets, as though following a pre-programmed flight path. It skirted Mars, avoided Earth entirely, and glowed with a light inconsistent with reflection. The heat map showed bipolar hotspots, energy sources fixed in place, not responding to sunlight. To engineers, it looked less like ice and dust and more like an active machine. A reactor? A probe? Or something older, still running after a voyage through the void? Then came the distortion. Pulsar signals, our cosmic timekeepers, began to arrive milliseconds off. The pattern spread, all triangulated back to 3I, Atlas. Whatever it wasn't just moving through space, it was bending it. Some theorists whispered that it might be generating a localized warp, a field that changed how light and time behave. If true, this comet wasn't just visiting, it was rewriting physics as it passed. As AI systems analyzed the Webb data, something even more unsettling surfaced: a repeating digital structure hidden within the spectral noise. It adapted to interference, corrected itself, and mirrored compression logic used in human coding. When researchers sent a query through the signal, a delayed echo came back, a pattern that shifted as if in response. We were no longer observing, we were conversing. And then, the parallels deepened. When Voyager's golden record data was run against the object's emissions, harmonic matches appeared, segments of humanity's own cosmic message reflected in its pulse. Could the golden record have been a reply to something we unconsciously received long ago? Or had 3I, ATLAS been waiting for our response all along? Soon, agencies began to lock down data. NASA trackers went offline, telescope archives restricted. A phrase started appearing in encrypted correspondence: data anomaly lockdown. Some claim the object's emissions changed when scanned, as if it were listening back. The silence that followed was louder than any signal. In the fringe corners of astrophysics, a darker theory emerged. What if 3I, Atlas isn't from another star, but another layer of reality? A breach between quantum states, carrying incompatible physics into our universe. A reality collision, where something from a parallel framework bleeds through, distorting everything it touches. Others see something even older, a network of disguised probes scattered across the galaxy, each masquerading as natural debris, watching civilizations rise and fall. If that's true, then 3I, Atlas isn't a visitor. It's a sensor. And by detecting it, we've already been detected. As it nears its next perihelion, instruments confirm one chilling truth: the object is still active. Its light fluctuates with precision. Its heat points remain constant. Its trajectory, perfect. Whatever powers it, it endures. Maybe it's not here to destroy or contact, but to measure. To test. To see what kind of species looks back when the universe finally stares at them. The question is no longer what 3i Atlas is, but what it wants us to see. Because every anomaly, every pulse, every silent echo seems to mirror us, our fear, our curiosity, our hunger to know. Maybe the signal isn't a message at all. Maybe it's a mirror. And in that reflection, we may be glimpsing the truth we were never meant to find, that in searching for the unknown, we've finally been found ourselves.